Bureau has sounded a terror alert. Terrorist groups across the border are waiting to infiltrate their men into Kashmir. This as Pakistan violated the ceasefire yet again. Pakistani militants tried to infiltrate into Kashmir on Wednesday night. The violation took place in the key Keran sector in North Kashmir, which is the major ingress route of the militants from across the border. An Indian JCO and 3 Pakistani soldiers were killed in first major violation of ceasefire in Kashmir Valley this year, where troops from the two sides traded heavy gunfire. The ceasefire violation comes on the heels of a major infiltration bid which was foiled by the Indian Army just a few days back in the Gurez sector. Shockingly, this time the militants used the river to cross into Kashmir Valley.
Terrorists waiting to sneak into India from POK across the line of control. The terror alert issued by the Intelligence Bureau even says that many terrorists have already infiltrated into Kashmir. And while the forces strengthened their guard on the LOC, this is the novel route being used by terrorists to infiltrate into Kashmir, the Kishan Ganga River, the virtual line of control between the two sides. Around a dozen armed Lashkar terrorists were killed about 2 weeks ago while trying to cross the Kishan Ganga River in rubber boats.
तो इन्होंने सोचा कि ये जंगल है, इस इलाके से थोड़े ज्यादा बंदे निकाल दें और इस चक्कर में उन्होंने नहीं तो 3, 4, 5 बंदे निकालते हैं वो, इसलिए इन्होंने बड़ा ग्रुप और नाव का इस्तेमाल किया कि शायद पता ना लगे कि नाव से भी नदी पार करी जा सकती है और इस तरीके से कोई हरकत हो सकती है.
But even after foiling a major infiltration bid, Army fears that many more such attempts can be made by the terror groups to disturb peace in the valley.
वो फिर कोशिश करेंगे क्योंकि जो वैली में है टेररिस्ट की तादाद बहुत कम हो गई है, उस तादाद को बढ़ाने के लिए वो कोशिश ये करते रहेंगे.
And their fears are not unfounded. These dense jungles make Gurez a hot spot for the militants to make their way into Indian side. More than a dozen infiltration bids have been foiled along the LOC in Kupwara district in August alone. In July this year, intelligence inputs revealed that 400 militants are holed up in 42 camps close to the LOC, waiting to infiltrate. Last year, 489 militants attempted to infiltrate into Jammu and Kashmir. 112 militants were killed by security forces while trying to enter India in 2010. The defense forces, though, are strengthening their base to fight the menace.
चुनौती ये है, आप देख रहे हैं कि इलाका बहुत दुर्गम है, बहुत जंगल है, नदी है, नाले हैं.
These underground bunkers have been built to keep a watch on the dense jungles of Gurez. The bunkers are equipped with cameras and monitoring screens to keep an eye on the area. But the danger is clear and present, with the terrorists using new ways to enter the country to unleash terror. With Ashraf Wani